Hello my dear friends, Sauvage Extrait is in my collection, and before buying Sauvage Extrait, make sure you are testing it because this fragrance is not for everyone. Before buying Sauvage Extrait, I've tested 2 times, and let me tell you straight away, the performance is just outstanding. The performance is just amazing, and I'm thinking Sauvage Extrait is one of the strongest designer fragrances from the market right now, if not the strongest. And the second of all, the quality is just outstanding. When I mean again outstanding, this is just niche level, something like Amouage, which is a 300 pounds fragrance. Sauvage Extrait comes in a 50 ml size, and this is just the box presentation. Let's say we have the Sauvage writing right here, Extrait and Dior, quite typical. The box presentation is having a slightly higher quality than, let's say, Sauvage Elixir box presentation, which is like, you know, this kind of box where it's just opening just like that. But this time Sauvage Extrait is opening like that, and this kind of opening is reminding me of the old bottle, the old box of Aventus Absolu, which again it's opening, you know, kind of similar. The same thing with Sauvage Extrait in a similar way. Let's say here we have the B, and here we have the informations, batch code and everything. If you need them, pause this video and have a closer look. The batch code is 6F01, so it is a 01 batch, let's say. This is the 50 ml bottle, and it is the only one so far. We have a magnetic cap, CD logo on top, and here we have the bottom of the bottle, which is having the informations right there. And let's see the sprayer. Ooh, high quality. And this fragrance in the opening smells, you know, sweeter in the opening than it is in a dry down, let's say after 1 hour. So what you get in the opening, that sweetness is fading away within an hour mark. It is sweeter in the opening than it is in the dry down. Also in the opening we have a slightly fruity vibe, some bergamot in it, but that bergamot vibe is just again fading away in 1-2 minutes, let's say, and after is coming everything. So it is ambery, it is slightly sweet, as I said. The lavender vibe is there, and again, I forgot to tell you in the opening, this fragrance, as I said, is having a high quality, and it's packed with naturals. So after my small research, this fragrance is having at least 30% natural oils, at least 30%, so this is not that bad for a designer fragrance. And the rest of the aroma molecules are used just to make this fragrance longer lasting and also to project. But as I said, it's having a very high quality. And if you like woody fragrances with an amber touch, with a musky touch. So this fragrance is still woody, musky. We have that wood, which in this case Dior claims it's real wood. It's having that Amouage resinous DNA right here, but it's not as strong as in Amouage fragrance, but that resinous touch is there, and also it's having a slightly animalic touch to it, but it's not overdone, but it's not too strong. So as I said, if you like wood fragrances, this fragrance is for you, but it's not an extreme wood fragrance. This is not wood maracuya level, let's say, something like that. And I'm talking about wood maracuya because that's a fragrance that I know very well. And also in the dry down we have a touch of earthiness to it. It is slightly sharp, and as I said, that sweetness from the opening is just fading away, and in the dry down it is slightly sharper, you know, so the wood is like a dry wood, slightly sharp, with a slight of animalic touch to it, a slightly barnyard, but just a slightly barnyard vibe, not too much, not very offensive. And if you love the Sauvage Elixir fragrance, this is different than Sauvage Elixir, so don't buy Sauvage Extrait thinking it's just the stronger version of Elixir getting the same fragrance. It's not. It is stronger than Sauvage Elixir, but you don't get the same fragrance. It's different. This one is woodier, this one is slightly more animalic, resinous, and it's not bad, you know, it's not bad. Taking in consideration the performance and what you get from this Sauvage Extrait fragrance, this fragrance is niche level, and I paid for it £135 for the 50 ml bottle, which when I'm recording this video, it is the only available size. This fragrance is great and is having an exceptional quality to it. So even for a person like me, which is not into wood fragrances, but I'm thinking if you are just a wood beginner, this fragrance is the way to go. The versatility is not very high, but this fragrance is great if you are looking for an elegant fragrance, because this fragrance is elegant. So this is the first fragrance which I like it from Dior after Francis Kurkdjian took over the ship. So I'm thinking Francis Kurkdjian, after releasing Sauvage Eau Forte, got a stick from the Dior owner. So, and this is just a joke, of course, but this time he made it. This fragrance is very strong. It's lasting minimum, as I said, minimum 20 hours. It's lasting even after couple of washings, so I washed my hands 3 times and the fragrance was still there after 9 hours. It is that strong. Sauvage Extrait is one of the strongest fragrances from my collection, if not the strongest, in a very, very close tie with Bergamasque, but Sauvage Extrait is having a much better quality than Bergamasque, which is much more synthetic. Sauvage Extrait is a very mature fragrance. Do not blind buy it. As I said, it's not for everyone, but it's having a very, very high quality, and I'm very, very happy adding Sauvage Extrait in my collection, because let me tell you a little secret. I added Elixir in my collection a couple of months ago, and you know, some people are complaining about the reformulations and you know, blah blah blah, but Sauvage Elixir is still lasting. It's a 2025 batch, and I've decided, you know what, when a fragrance is released, I'm going to buy it straight away, the first batch, just to avoid, you know, the future reformulations, and I'm thinking this is the way to go. As I said, very happy having Sauvage Extrait in my collection. The price for this 50 ml bottle, taking in consideration the quality and the performance, the scent is just subjective. It is outstanding. It is a niche quality fragrance, and don't forget, you know, just check it out and do not blind buy any of, you know, these fragrances what you see here on my channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.